Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we got a cool song from the movie Grease. John Travolta. You're the one that I want. So, let's go. We're in A minor. Standard tuning. Let's go over the chords first. So, we got A minor. F major, A minor, 1, 2, 3, okay. F major, let's do this F major. 1, 2, 3, 4. C major. 1, 2, 3. E7. 1, 2. So that's the first part of the verse every time. And then when she starts singing, we get C major to E minor. 1, 2. To A minor. To F. So that's 2 times every time. Let's go over that again. So to A minor, male singing. To F, to C, E7, A minor. And then the girl starts singing, it's C, E minor, very cool, A minor, F, 2 times. And the last time when you get to the F, you stay longer on that. And that's going to take us to the chorus. So let's go over the switching and then talk about the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, F, 2, C, E7. C major, E minor, A minor to F, C major, E minor, A minor to F, stay on F, 2, 3, 4, chorus, you're the one that wants C, 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 F. Okay, so let's talk about the rhythm. We got some stuff going on for the more advanced players, but for the standard rhythm, we can go down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, a good groove for the whole song, actually. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, and for the more advanced players, in the intro we got A to E minor bass and G. It goes. You gotta go over the A, down, down, and then grab the E, and then back to A, and then E, grab G. Move to F. C. Down, 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 up, down, A7 to A minor. I stay here 3 times. Okay, girl singing. C. E minor. A minor to F. Again. Let her repeat the chorus. Cool. Slamming song on the acoustic. Alright, so let's review before we hang up the lesson, the Zoom meeting. We got the intro, they just hang on A minor before the singing, and if you want to do the more advanced stuff, that's cool. To F and C, E7, A minor, 2 times, and then girls singing, Olivia, C to E minor, A minor to F, C 2 times, E minor, A to F. Chorus simple. C, 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 F 3 times and end on G. Awesome, folks. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more great, fantastic hits. Be safe. Thank you.